The Indigo MasterCard can charge up to a $175 annual fee in the first year, and in some offers, that fee drops to $49 after that. That makes the exact offer the most important part of this card. By the end of this, you'll know what Indigo actually costs, how the fee affects your credit limit, and whether it's worth taking in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Indigo is an unsecured credit card built for people with bad credit. That means no security deposit. You don't need to lock up $200 like you would with cards from Discover or Capital One. That sounds cheaper up front. But the annual fee changes that fast. Indigo has multiple offer versions. Some charge no annual fee. Some charge $75. Some charge up to $175 for the first year. That fee can be deducted from your initial credit line. That matters because many starting limits are low. If your credit line is $300 and a $175 fee posts, your usable credit drops hard. That can push utilization above 50% immediately. Section 1. The interest problem. Indigo cards usually carry high APRs. That means carrying a balance makes the card much more expensive. If you only make minimum payments, you're paying fees plus interest at the same time. That's where costs snowball. Paying in full every month matters here more than almost anywhere. Section 2. What you get. Indigo reports to all three major credit bureaus. That's the main value. You build payment history and credit age. There are no rewards, no cash back, and usually no upgrade path to better products. That makes it a basic rebuild tool. Section 3. Is it worth it? If you get the no-fee version, Indigo can be a workable, unsecured option. If you get the high-fee version, it gets harder to justify. Cards like Mission Lane or Petal often offer better long-term value if you qualify. Quick recap. Indigo can cost $0 to $175 in year 1, depending on your offer. There's no security deposit. The real risk is losing usable credit to fees right away. Your next step is simple. Pre-qualify first and read the exact annual fee before accepting. If this helped you avoid the expensive version, like the video and subscribe.